Kindly like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello kids, today we will learn about farm animals. Cat. This is a cat. Cow. This is a cow. Dog. This is a dog. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Pig. This is a pig. Hen. This is a hen. Donkey. This is a donkey. Horse. This is a horse. Goat. This is a goat. Duck. This is a duck.
Farm animals and their young ones. A cat's baby is called a kitten. A dog's baby is called a puppy. A horse's baby is called a foal. Pig's baby is called a piglet. A cow's baby is called a calf. A chicken's baby is called a chick. A goat's baby is called a kid. A duck's baby is called a duckling.
Welcome to our farm, where every animal has a favorite meal. Let's find out what they love to eat.
Moo. I'm Moo Moo the cow. I love to eat grass and hay. Yum. It helps me make delicious milk. Cluck, cluck. I'm Clucky the chicken. I peck at seeds, grains, and insects. It's a tasty treat for me.
Bow, I'm Bow Bow the sheep. I enjoy nibbling on grass and plants. They keep my wool nice and fluffy. Neigh, I'm Neigh Neigh the horse. I love to eat hay and oats. It gives me the energy to run and play.
I'm Oink Oink the pig. I munch on grains, fruits, and vegetables. They make me so happy.
Bleep. I'm Bleep Bleep the goat. I munch on leaves, twigs, and grass. I'm always looking for something to nibble on.
Woof, woof. I'm Woof Woof the dog. I love meat and crunchy kibble. It keeps my tail wagging.
Meow. I'm Meow Meow the cat. I enjoy fish and milk. It makes me purr with delight.
Honk, honk. I'm Honk Honk the goose. I love to eat grains and green plants. They make me feel great.
Quack, quack. I'm Quacky the duck. I enjoy eating grains, insects, and water plants. They keep me happy and healthy.